This product is designed mainly for two hair textures, whether you have extremely dry, dehydrated hair or really kind of extreme curly, coily hair like this. So the real issue if you have very dry and dehydrated hair, your hair is really parched, it's thirsty, so it has this kind of urge to suck in moisture from the outside atmosphere to rehydrate itself. But this is the issue because your hair is like a moisture void, and as it sucks in this moisture, that's what's making your hair revert back to its natural texture. Now with the Dreamcoat Extra Strength, it's actually delivering moisture to the core of the hair, so that's helping to prevent your hair sucking in that moisture. But at the same time, it's got double the humidity protection on the outside. So not only is this preventing that moisture getting into your hair, but if your hair is really curly, coily like this, it's actually helping to hold that hair into that straight, sleek style. Okay, so on freshly washed hair, we're going to take the Dreamcoat Extra Strength, and section by section, you really need to saturate this product into the hair, making sure you get all of the hair completely covered. So now we've saturated the whole head in Dreamcoat Extra Strength, we're gonna just take small sections and start blow drying. So I've got my brush and my dryer, and it's really, really important when we do blow dry it to use heat and tension. And this tension is very, very important to get the product to activate on the surface of the hair and give you that incredible humidity barrier. So a way I like to get tension on the hair is actually put the brush on top and use my thumb to kind of trap it. And this gives me a lot of tension on that hair to really kind of pull it straight and taut. And if you want to use a paddle brush, you've got to make sure that you pull your hair taut with the brush. So I actually keep the dryer quite close to the hair as I'm pulling it down tight. It's not gonna work if you just lightly blow dry it like this. You really need to get that tension on the hair and pull the hair taut and activate the product with the heat on the surface of the hair. So now I'm done blow drying, you can see these incredible results. My top tip when blow drying with the Dreamcoat Extra Strength is to make sure you dry the hair completely. This is really gonna help stop your hair reverting back. I also do like to use a flat iron sometimes for enhanced results. It is important though to keep your irons below 380 degrees. Once you've actually blow dried this into your hair, you're going to get that humidity and frizz protection for up to 3 washes. You guys are gonna love the innovation in Dreamcoat Extra Strength.
Just watch me shine.